so look, you know I'm doing my grits first, right? So listen, the first thing I do is, you gotta remember, anytime you can use like water or something like that, you wanna start with like a chicken stock. It's because it's so flavorful. And then when I do that, I always use like the 33% less sodium version of it. You know what I mean? Because I'm watching what I'm doing. Now, hey, Aaron, you know what, it's weird me calling your name.
I know, yo. I'm sitting over here cooking this bacon, but I heard you say chicken stock, bro, and I'm using heavy cream for my grits. So I'm wondering, like, and I used to use water. You know, we was raised on using water to do grits, but we could both throw some different flavors in over here.
Right. So look, I'm starting to come up to my little boil. You know what I mean? I got a little slow simmer. You know what I mean? And I preach on this channel here, man. It's all about the wrist, the elbow, and the arm. You know, because I love to make the roux and all that. So yeah. I just put everything in. I say this, but I've watched you put you know, like whatever your ingredients is, I've seen you put them in and it works, right? But when I'm teaching somebody new, I tell everybody just a little bit at a time.
Right.
You know what I mean? You know, like this. You know, I'm learning though, man.
Yeah. Now I got my grits going in, and I'm whisking these bad boys. I'm going all in at one time over here, AB. So I'm gonna drop me a little bit of this bouillon just for a little extra flavor.
One thing I have learned from you is you told me when you dice small like that, that's for flavor, right?
My dude.
If I dice the way I've been dicing, that's more for the texture.
My dude.
Got it.
So you looking for both in your grits? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for flavor. You know why? I gotta go that way, man, because I'm up against you. I feel like I'm on one of them shows, man. Hey, bring your A game. So you know what I mean? I'm gonna bring my A game. You guys listen to that. You dice fine, right? That's for the taste and the flavor, right? If you want to have the texture, you just go a little bit bigger. If you didn't already know that.
We're gonna go down. We ain't gonna cut through the root end because we want to make sure it all stays intact. We're gonna hold it down like that. Then we're gonna go this way.
Right. Okay.
And as the more slits you can get across, the finer it's gonna be. You want fine too, right?
Right.
So then we're just gonna get that small dice right there.
Hey, I wasn't gonna say nothing, man. This is real talk right here. Just the combination of this smell here and that shallot, just smelling it, bro.
Yo, is that real?
Hey, only thing missing is a little butter, man.
I see you got butter, I got butter. Yo, I'm gonna leave your knife, I'm coming back. I gotta stir my grits because you getting me. Oh, man.
Hey, don't trip, man.
I ain't. My grits is good. I'm just gonna cut these off for now because I don't need more heat on that. Now I got this sweat going on. I'm gonna drop me some butter and get these shrimp going. I got me some Creole seasoning, and I'm just gonna lightly season these because I got that bacon, and I got some other goodies going into my grits. You using cheese in your grits?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, I only mentioned peppercorn to you. You know what I'm saying? But we doing something though.
Okay.
We doing a little something.
When you put the butter in cold or like whole, it evenly distributes and becomes more creamier. But when you let your butter go and melt, it separates. So yeah, you get clarified butter. That's good if you want to do something on high heat because it won't smoke. But I want that fat, I want that saltiness, and I want all that flavor to come together in my shrimp. So I left it cold, threw it in with my shrimp, because I just want them to be like partially cooked. So when I add them to my grits with my bacon and my cheese and all the other goodies I got over here, it still had that creaminess to it. You know what I'm saying? Extra layer creaminess with that fat from the heavy cream.
Gotcha.
You feel me?
I know you started off the way you did, you know what I mean? You went with the heavy cream as your base liquid. Me, I went with the stock, right?
Gotcha.
So I got that in here, right here, just like that.
Yep.
And then I just went ahead and hit it with just a little bit of that cream. You know what I mean? So this is why I get this texture right here. But notice, you see it popping and doing all that, so we still got it under that heat, right? So now we got, you know what this is right here.
What?
You know,
yo, I ain't never used this before.
Hey, check it out, man.
You going in like that?
Oh yeah. And I like it, you know, real small, nice and fine. Helps with it. This is the way I do it. Hey, I would ask you right now, like, do you like your grits sweet, or you like them to be a little bit on that savory side?
I'm savory all day, because sweet means screaming wheat to me. You know what I'm saying?
It almost
that
looks
like cream
right.
But I'm gonna go ahead and drop some good old American cheese up in mine. And I don't like my grits to be hard. I want them to be really soft and cooked thoroughly.
This ain't really nothing to see, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and drop that in there like that. I always tell everybody I like to put my onions, shallots, or whatever, I like to start with those first and give them like a 1 minute head start.
Same here.
You know what I mean? Then I start adding everything else.
Okay, same here.
And that's that infused olive oil right there though.
Okay. So you did half and half butter, olive oil.
Yeah, there you go.
And that's what I do.
Not really equal part though. It's just I like to put a little oil in there to protect that butter. You know what I'm saying? That's all. Now, Aaron, look, I hate to even break this out, man, because you got the skill. I've seen what you do with a clove, but I'm gonna show you what put a smile on my face. Take a look at this right here. Look. Oh man. Hey, and I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I just really discovered this a couple of years ago.
Dude, this is dope.
You know what I mean? Look, now I don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? But I do want to now that I know the proper way to do it. You know what I mean? Now that you done showed that.
Because these sausages got that smokiness and that flavor, I'm gonna add them to my shrimp. I gotta put that in here. We about to make gumbo over this piece.
Hey, that's
shrimp and grits.
Right. Okay, so look, now I'm getting ready to just go ahead and start adding some of my flour. You know what I mean? A little bit at a time. You know what I mean? Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna start cooking like you, man. You the damn chef. Let me just dump it in here.
No, listen to you.
You know what? The end result be right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and do it the way you say do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cook a little bit of that flour taste out of here though too. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just combine all my seasonings together and put these in here like this, right? And hope that I don't start sneezing. Okay, so look, if you look, hey, come here, take a look at this.
Yes, sir.
This is where I'm here right here. I done cooked the flour down.
Okay.
And then, you know, it starts clumping up.
Yeah.
Right? So now we finna bring some flavor to the party.
Okay.
You know? I want to get this nice and warm and hot. And if I can show you, look at you can see the flavor in this chicken andouille.
Oh, yeah.
And then for you guys out there, take a look at that right there. You can see the flavor in that. All right, man, so I'm finna come in with my fire roasted Dutch.
Okay.
Right? I didn't do no drain, no nothing.
Okay.
I want it all in here.
Gotcha. So it's gonna play like a thickener, or like the liquid.
Like the liquid, right.
With the roux. I follow you. I'm following.
And then it's gonna cook down. You see how high I got it. You know what I mean? But you see it starting to come together now?
Yeah. Oh yeah. We got some consistency going on here.
Oh yeah. You know what I mean? Again, man, I'm just conditioned to add just a little bit at a time. You know what I mean? Just work it in back and forth. I love to see when I put it in this color. All right? It's still kind of like clear. You see how you see the bottom?
Yeah.
And we start marrying it together over here. And then when we start seeing that color, they're telling me it's working.
Okay.
But it looks like I'm gonna be able to use all of this right
Gotcha.
here. You know what I mean? And then we're gonna just go ahead and cook it down and get that consistency that we want. So look, I just take it. This is to me is a pinch.
Okay.
I just take that, help distribute it, and that's all I need. Okay, we got that. You know what I'm looking for now, right?
Oh!
Come on, man.
Yo, can you come hit me too?
Oh,
Since you got your wrist working?
For sure. You know what? Yeah, for sure.
All right, because you know I don't do pepper pills, but I admire people that do.
Right.
My elbow a little hurt. I don't get it lubed up like some people around here.
Hey, you were serious.
Yes, sir.
You were serious.
Yo, and you know what I'm gonna say? Let me know when you're on the time.
Right. I'm approaching my thickness.
Okay.
You know what I mean? This is the consistency I like to see right there.
Gotcha.
Look.
Absolutely.
And then for everybody out there, I'll just grab it like this and just let it fall off. You'll see some of it stick. And you know, the gravity got to take, make it work.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
So if I leave it alone, you see it simmering.
Yes, sir.
Check this out. I'm gonna introduce my shrimp.
Yep.
Get it all coated, and then I'm gonna turn my fire off, and then we gonna let it, whatever heat we have here, that's gonna cook this and not overcook it. All right, come on in, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and dump these in here just like this. Start moving these around, getting everything coated. I'm already, okay, look, just turned off my heat. You can see it starting to cook. See how they starting to curl up?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And I just open it up, but I'm gonna let this heat do its thing.
Okay. And I'm just gonna fold the shrimp, the sausage, and on top of that cheese, I'm gonna have that Creole season from the shrimp, that smokiness from the andouille sausage, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of bacon on the top as my croutons. Yo, you see that orange? That's that juice that bled out of the sausage.
Oh yeah.
And I don't want to get rid of that. And then we had that butter. Don't want to lose that.
Right.
I got me a little bit of parsley here, mixed with some scallions. And then I'm gonna drop those bacon croutons on the top just like that. I'm gonna go a little extra on the black pepper.
Okay, so look, man, I'm adding my heavy cream in right now, right here at the end. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna run this around here like that and let this residual heat do its thing.
Got you.
Okay, man, so now it's the moment of truth, right?
Yes, sir.
You told me when we first got together, right?
Yeah.
You told me, you said, hey, I'm not the best as far as like a presentation. I call, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Hey, 'cause I done seen.
Butterscotch.
Yeah, butterscotch. Yeah, right. And I do mine, you know, I like mine to be a little bit on the soft side.
Okay, okay.
You know what I mean?
Got you.
And then I just take this right here like this.
Yes, sir.
Get as much off of this off the bottom as possible. Get it up over the top, and I start putting it in like that. You know what I mean?
Bro, those grits is holding up good.
Oh man. You know what I mean? You could just put some over here like this. You know what I mean? You could decorate the plate however you want to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it like that. You know, by just adding just a little bit of green on there.
Bro, didn't it make it pop?
Everything better with bacon.
Everything's better with bacon.
Everything is better with bacon. A little bacon bit.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all I've been waiting
I'm
for.
going in and get one of these, get a little bit of this bacon. I ain't gonna lie, man.
Talk to me.
These are shrimp and grits, bro. Both of these ingredient lists will be down in the description box below. This has been an experience for myself to like really just cook along with this cat. You know what I mean? Somebody with his pedigree, you know what I mean? And hey, I don't know what else to say. Now, let me just tell you what you guys did not see. He took his grits with this thick sauce right here, like this little gravy over the top, Creole little sauce that we made, and that's it right there. I ain't gonna say nothing. So if anybody know what a kit bash is, we gonna recipe bash. Make his grits, right? Make this right here, and I promise you, hey, y'all gonna see it soon. So thanks, bro. You know what I mean? Just, hey, ain't nothing I can say, man. Ain't no need me to be faking it nothing like that. We friends, bro.
Yes, sir.
And all of that, but just thanks for blessing us. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna turn it over to you and tell them where they can find you at.
Yeah, well, if they can find me at the Grillin TV Network, make sure when you find these recipes that I create that you subscribe, you like it, you share it, you leave me a comment, and set the notification, because you told me notifications is important, right?
Yeah, that's real important.
Yeah.
That's right. Hey, so with that being said, you know how I do, so check this out. If you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, listen, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And guess what, folks? Whichever way he leave, I'm following. We out.
I'm going. Let's go, brother.